My name is Miss Deb, and I'm here today from the New Smyrna Beach Regional Library. Welcome to Fun Fact Friday. Today we're going to learn all about airplanes. There were two brothers named Orville and Wilbur Wright. They were bicycle repairmen. They built a plane called the Wright Flyer that took the first controlled, powered flight on December 17, 1903. Orville Wright was the pilot. The flight was controlled because Orville could make the plane go where he wanted it to go. And the flight was powered because the plane had an engine. The main body of an airplane is called the fuselage. This includes the flight deck, which is where the pilots sit, the passenger cabin, which is where the passengers sit, and the cargo hold, where things are stored. Other important parts of the airplane include the wings and the tail. There are often two pilots on an airplane. The captain is the pilot in charge. He or she sits on the left side of the flight deck. The first officer sits on the right side. Pilots control how the airplane moves using instruments. The instruments are in front of them in the airplane. Airplanes are powered by an engine, except for glider planes. Glider planes do not have an engine. Pilots can't take off and land whenever they want. The control tower at the airport tells the pilots when to take off and when to land. There are four forces of flight. These forces control what happens to the airplane in the sky. Lift moves the airplane up. Lift is made by the airplane's wings. Weight pulls the airplane down. Thrust moves the airplane forward. It is made by the airplane's engine. And drag slows the airplane down. There are glider planes. They are planes with no engines. There are jet planes. They have jet engines. There are seaplanes. They have floats and can land on water. There are cargo planes. They move packages and other materials. There are also ultralight planes. They are planes that are a lot lighter than most airplanes. If you would like to learn to fly a plane someday, you will have to take flying lessons in order to earn a pilot's license. You might need more than one license, depending on the type of plane that you fly. If you're interested in learning more about airplanes, here are a few titles that you can check out from the Volusia County Public Library. Our first book is called Airplanes by Jenny Fretlin Van Voorst. Our second book is called How Do Jets Work by Buffy Silverman. And our third book is also called Airplanes, written by Cynthia Amoroso. Thanks for joining me for Fun Fact Friday. Please also visit us at felucialibrary.org for fun kids activities and other great books and e-resources. Thanks very much. Have a great day.